Welcome to the ALTBAE channel. I want to discuss crypto with you before anyone else. I have a fun meme project which also has a game collaboration with Meme Games WTF, which I want to show you in this video. Remember, crypto is very high risk, and I'll come to the chart in a moment, but this is Billy Bookcase. Billy's billionaire blueprint: smart storage, smarter wealth, organize your future one soul at a time. So this is on the Solana network. So you've got baby bookcase, perfect for nurseries, executive bookcase for your office, and the charming dresser style for any room. So this is based upon kind of like the Ikea like #1 selling kind of furniture items. I haven't really gone into an Ikea in years, to be honest with you. So, but I know people like the simplistic furniture, which you could make yourself, and it's good for places like this. So at the moment, I'm in like an Airbnb. I thought it'd be like a good background. So one of my Patreons was saying, "Oh yeah, your background is quite plain." So. I don't know if this makes a difference. So if you want to support me on the channel, the kind of general support here, and if you want to get early access to my videos, you can get the partner tier, or if you can join my Telegram as well, there is that option. The prices of my Patreon should go up from the 1st of October. So it says, "I'm Billy. You might recognize me. I'm not just a bookshelf. I'm the bookshelf. For decades, I've been a top-selling icon in the most famous furniture store, gracing homes and organizing lives around the globe." So there's a little secret. As a dream of my own, I want to be a billionaire bookshelf. And guess what? I believe the path to massive wealth, just like the path to a perfectly organized home, starts with making smart, strategic, and organized decisions. So, welcome to Billy Bookcase Billionaire Blueprint. That's a lot of B's. Let's build something amazing, one organized step at a time. So it has the tokenomics here. It was launched on Pump Fund, which is fair launch. Liquidity pool is burnt. Ticker symbol is Billy. 0% tax, and a billion tokens in supply. And there is a roadmap here. So it's still at phase 1. So it's really early, so this could potentially be something as a longer term hold if you decide to buy. You know, just always seek professional advice first. And there is a game launched with Meme Games WTF, so I'll just quickly show it now if I can. You just kind of just try to get in there, and you get some points. So I missed there, but you get the idea. So that's on Meme Games. I'll keep it short for the video. I think it's a fun project. The chart has kind of gone way down. So again, this is ultimately very high risk. And if you're new to my channel, I look at the medium to high risk ones on here. So really early days, but this could, you know, almost went up to like $400,000 market cap. So if it recovers, maybe that might be like a 15 to 20x, back up to the market cap. So time will tell if it reaches there. And I just wanted to introduce the project. So one of my patrons is involved with this project. So I just wanted to showcase it with you. So Aquifer. So I'll see you in the next video, and I'll just try to remember some shout outs for my Patreons. So thank you to JMA, Aquifer, ASMR, Relaxing, Tony, 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐜𝐫𝐢𝑡ah, and Nick. Sorry if I've missed anybody else. I forgot to bring my paper there, but I'll see you in another video.